Hi everyone, I am Prerak, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate a Cardano web-based wallet inside your website. So a prerequisite for this video is obviously that you need to be using a web-based Cardano wallet. So some of the examples are the Eternal wallet and the Nami wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that using a Nami wallet. So as you can see on just a second. So as you can see on my screen, I have a Nami wallet installed in my browser. You need to have this extension, and then I'm going to show you what I'm using. If you just go to the GitHub page of Nami wallet, you will be able to find every single documentation and functions which I'm going to be using. So what the Nami wallet does is it injects an API inside your browser, and for all the wallets, the API starts with window.cardano, and the third part is the name of the wallet. So let's say if it is the Eternal wallet, it will not be Nami, it will be something else, but here it will be Nami. So I'll just be making a very minimalistic website and showing you how you can connect a wallet to that particular website. Right, so I have an empty VS Code. I don't have anything in this repository. I'll make a new file. I'll just call it index.html. And we'll start by just writing very simplistic code. Okay, so this is just a boilerplate code which VS Code provides you with. And once you are done with this, I'm going to make two things. First, I'm going to make a heading. Initially it is going to say status not connected. And then I'm going to make a button, and we'll be giving IDs to both of these elements. ID will be status, and for the button, the ID will be button. And we also need to give it some dimensions. So this is all just pure HTML and JavaScript, nothing fancy. We're not using any extensions here. And after that, we'll give it a width. Let's give it 200 pixels. And height. So we have our minimalistic website. Let's see what this website looks like. So I'll just use this very neat extension that there is. It's called a live server. I'm going to use this live server to view my HTML file. Right, so this is what the website looks like. You just have a button which you can press. It does nothing for now. And you also have a heading which says status not connected. It is talking about the wallet. Okay, so let's go back to our HTML file. After that, we are going to write a script. This script is going to help us connect with the wallet. And the type, you should give it module, because we'll be importing some external functions in this script. First of all, what we should do is we should get our heading and button. Get element ID. And what we want to do is, as soon as we click on the button, we want to try to connect with the wallet. So this is what we are going to do. We'll do button dot on click is equal to connect wallet. So this is a function which we haven't defined as of now. So we'll be defining it now. Let's make it an async function. Connect wallet. Okay, so what is the first thing that you need to check while connecting a wallet? You need to check if there is any wallet installed at all. So you'll see if there is any object by the name of window.cardano. And once you have established that window.cardano is there, you're going to check if window.cardano.nami is there or not, because I'll be using a Nami wallet to demonstrate this. So in case either of this is not true, I'll just return from this function. But let's say this function is true. What we'll try to do is we'll enable this. So whenever you call the function enable, it gives you an API object, and that wraps a lot of functions inside itself. So as soon as you call this function, you'll get a dialog box for the user, and the user can choose if they want to give access to this website or not. Get enable. You get an API object. Now, what you would do is you would call the API. You would call this function called get used addresses. So what this does is a particular wallet can have a lot of receiving addresses, and this would give you an array type object, and inside the array would be all the addresses. But inside the Nami wallet, you'll only get an array of length 1, because Nami is a single address wallet. Although in other types of wallets like Typhoon or Eternal, you'll be able to receive more than one address when you call this function. Then what you want to do is you want to see the address which you are getting. And let's say just print it to the console. So now what we can do is we can test it out inside our browser environment and see how it's working. So this is the browser environment. I'll open the dev tools also. So this is the console part. Okay, so it is saying API.get used addresses is not a function. Okay, so this is just a spelling mistake which I've done. So I've put 3 S's here. I'll just try it once again. Let's try it once again. Okay, so the problem here is that I've already given it access. Let's remove the access for now. Removed from the whitelisted. Okay, so this is what you would typically be having. Let's reload it. Okay, so this is what the website looks like. Now you press the button And as soon as you press the button, this dialog box comes up. And as soon as you give the access, you see that it is printing my address. So let's do one thing. Let's just print the first address, because that is what we need anyways. Now, the people who are familiar with the Cardano ecosystem, you will see that this is not something that really looks like an address. This is something that looks very foreign. This is because this is the hex encoded form of the address, and the address which most of us are familiar is, it is the BEC32 format. So we'll be using the Cardano serialization lib now. I'm sorry, the video was getting too long. Therefore, I've broken it into two parts. So for now, you have learned how you can get the address, which is inside, which is of the type of a hex encoded string. And the next video, I'm going to show you how you can convert into something that you might be familiar with, something that looks like a Cardano address. Thank you.